When I had to choose between my family and you, I chose you. If I have to choose between him or you, I choose you. No, I'm not gonna run away from this.
Well, I'm not gonna let you leave your family because of me.
I just wish that you were someone who could do the same for me.
I will. I will. We missed our chance, and there must be a reason for that. We're not right either.
It's not too late.
Yes, it is.
Oh, I don't believe that, and I know you don't either. I think I'm in love with you.
You can't be. You don't even know me.
But I'll get to know you.
I've tried to find it in other things and in people, and it's never been what we've had.
We're always going to feel this way about each other. I have feelings for you. I mean it. I see you. No one can replace you. This thing between us, it's never going to go away. Because even if we were eating Chinese takeout under fluorescent lights in a shopping mall in Tijuana, it would still be romantic to me. Because I'd still be having dinner with you. I come watch?
Are you kidding? No way.
Why not?
Because you make me nervous.
So I do have an effect on you.
It's you. Ever since the beginning, it's always been you.
Please don't go. I love you.
I can't see you anymore.
I thought you loved me. So wait.
I do.
Who's rushing anything? We haven't kissed for 8 days.
9.
Really? I know I said that I was okay to wait, but I'm really not.
Maybe it's time we move forward.
I'm still here.
Better be.
I won't quit. You told me I'm the only one for you.
My mind keeps going on one thing.
What'd you come here to say, Kris?
I'm not gonna do this anymore.
Please choose me.
I do. I'm not gonna let others get in the way of you and me.
Once you've had a connection like that, you know in your heart when you're just not feeling it. Because it's not right. What are you doing?
Remembering this.
I have no doubt that you're the person I'm supposed to spend the rest of my life with.
I believe you. I love you. You love me.
I love you.
And I want to be with you, no matter where that is.
And I chose you just like I would every time.
I love you, Junior. I love you so much. Because I've learned that if something seems too good to be true, it probably is.
What about now?
I'm ready to believe.
This deal just set us free. Now whatever my dad ends up doing, we'll have enough money to live. Marry me. I know it's crazy and scary, but I want to be with you now. Forever.
I do.
I do.